Hello. How's it going, all? I hope you're all well. 2023 is almost here, and surely we are all thinking about the resolutions we want to achieve this year. Now we will discuss some tips that you can use to make a resolution. These tips will remain useful for making resolutions in the years that follow. Therefore, watch and listen carefully. Before making resolutions, it is good for us to know the difference between resolutions and dreams. Dreams are desires or hopes that can be realized quickly or slowly, or even may not be realized at all. We all surely have dreams that we want to realize, such as wanting to have our own business, wanting to go on a vacation abroad, or wanting to go back to school. On the other hand, resolutions are decisions or commitments that we must do or achieve in a predetermined time with a clear goal. Resolutions can be actual actions that we take, such as reducing waste, saving money for savings, or exercising regularly. Resolutions must also have clear targets, so we know what needs to be achieved and when it needs to be achieved. After we know the difference between resolutions and dreams, it is now time for us to make resolutions that are in line with our desires and abilities. There are several tips that we can follow in making better New Year's resolutions, which are also supported by the teachings of the Bible. Make specific resolutions. Don't just write "want to be healthier," but make more specific targets like want to lose 5 kilograms in 6 months by exercising 3 times a week and consuming healthy food. Make realistic resolutions. Don't be too ambitious in making resolutions, because it will make you tired and feel unachievable. Make resolutions that are reasonable and in line with your abilities. Make measurable resolutions. To know whether the resolutions we make have been achieved or not, make resolutions that can be measured with clear indicators. For example, if we want to reduce waste, we can measure how many liters of waste we produce every day or every week. Make achievable resolutions. In addition to being measurable, good resolutions must also be achievable. For example, if we want to save money, make clear targets like want to save $500 per month. That way, we know how much money we need to set aside every month to achieve the saving goal. Make resolutions that can be done on your own. Don't make resolutions that depend on other people or external factors, because it will make you feel not responsible or not in control. Make resolutions that you can do on your own or that can be done with the help of God. Make resolutions that are aligned with your values. Make resolutions that are in line with your values and beliefs, because this will make you more motivated to achieve them. Keep your resolutions in prayer. Don't forget to pray for guidance and strength to achieve your resolutions. Ask for God's help in making and achieving your resolutions. Share your resolutions with others. Sharing your resolutions with others can make you more accountable and motivated to achieve them. Don't be afraid to share your resolutions with friends or family who can support and encourage you. Write down your resolutions. Studies have shown that people who write down their goals are more likely to achieve them. So, make a list of your resolutions and post it somewhere visible, like on your fridge or your bedroom wall. This will serve as a constant reminder and motivation to work towards your goals. Get accountability. It's easier to follow through on your resolutions when you have someone to hold you accountable. Find a friend or family member who can support and encourage you in your journey. Share your progress with them regularly and ask for their help and advice when you need it. Don't be too hard on yourself. Don't beat yourself up if you slip up or don't see immediate progress. Remember that change takes time and it's okay to have setbacks along the way. Be kind and patient with yourself, and focus on the progress you have made so far. Celebrate your achievements. Don't forget to celebrate your small wins along the way. Whether it's losing your first pound or saving up your first $100, it's important to acknowledge and celebrate your achievements. This will keep you motivated and encouraged to continue working towards your goals. These are some of the tips we can follow in making and finishing New Year's resolutions. Hopefully, by following these tips, we can all finish the New Year's resolution we have made and have the success we want. God bless you.